So our normal mowers all get lined up over here. Every location, you're going to have a designated area where the mowers are working fine, and then you're gonna have a designated area where red tagged equipment goes. Because this mower needs oil change, we cannot continue to run it in the fleet, so we need to do a red tag on this piece of equipment. We're gonna take our red tag here, simply says out of service, and we're going to write the maintenance that is required. Needs oil change. I'm gonna put my name attached by Will Kelly, so if the general manager or the maintenance guy has questions, they know who to contact. Take my string, put it through the hole, and then we're going to wrap this around the handlebar so it's easily accessible for our maintenance team what work needs to get done on this piece of equipment. Last thing you want to do is not red tag this and have someone else bring this out in the field and it have a problem. Now the last thing that I did forget to do, put the date. So today is May 1st. That's when I logged it. So we got the date, my name, and what maintenance needs to be serviced or what's wrong with the piece of equipment.